Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Brookstone heated blanket won't turn on. Fix 1. Check the power source. Ensure the outlet is functioning by plugging in another device. Look for any signs of damage such as fraying or cuts which could impede functionality. Fix 2. Examine the controller. Confirm that the controller is properly connected to both the blanket and the power source. Unplug the blanket, wait a few minutes, then plug it back in to reset the system. Fix 3. Look for visible damage. Check for any visible damage such as frayed wires or holes. If you find any, discontinue use immediately and contact the manufacturer as using a damaged heated blanket can be dangerous. Fix 4. Avoid using extension cords or surge protectors. Plug the blanket directly into a wall outlet. Using extension cords or surge protectors can sometimes prevent the blanket from receiving adequate power. Fix 5. Consult the user manual. Refer to the blanket's user manual for model specific troubleshooting steps and safety information. Following the manufacturer's guidelines can often resolve common issues. The link for user manual will be provided in the description box. When you click on the link, a user manual will be appeared on your screen. So here it is. In this user manual, you will find all the troubleshooting steps and safety information that you can take to use your model of Brookstone blanket. Fix 6. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps resolve the problem, reach out to Brookstone's customer support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or information on warranty coverage and repairs. The link for customer support will always be provided in the description box. So when you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on the screen. Here you will get the email and the phone number along with the working hours so that you can contact Brookstone customer support. Thank you. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.